Here's how you can back up Android phone. To do this, first open settings on your mobile phone. Scroll down to accounts and backup. Here you can back up your data using different methods. The first one is Google Drive. So click backup data under Google Drive and it will show you this page. Here you can simply click on backup now and it will instantly back up your data. But before that, you'll have to make sure you have enough storage on your Google Drive. Also, you can click on photos and videos and turn this on to back up every photo and video on your mobile phone. If you don't want to back them up, simply turn this off. Now, click on other device data and here you're going to see what other things are going to get into the backup like contacts, call history, device settings, apps and much more. So make sure you turn this on to back up all these elements. Now, if you don't have enough storage on your Google Drive, you can simply get back and click on backup data under Samsung Cloud if you're using a Samsung phone. And here you can see all the things that you're going to back up. You can turn off anything that you don't want to back up and simply click on backup now and the backup will be saved on Samsung Cloud. Now, we'll get back to our settings and here we can scroll down and navigate to the section that is General Management. Once you click General Management, it will show you this page. Here, you can scroll down and navigate to Reset option. So click Reset on this page and here you have different options such as Temporary Cloud Backup and External Storage Backup. So if you click Temporary Cloud Backup and click Backup Data here, you can easily back up your data on Samsung Cloud instantly in one click. And after your mobile phone reboots after the reset, you can just get back to this page and click Restore Data. Now, we'll get back and here we have another option that is External Storage Backup. So once you click this option, you'll be able to back up data to a USB storage device and restore later on this device or use another device using a smart switch on Samsung. You can simply click Allow here and connect external storage device and back up your data through that. And after completing a backup, you can get back to General Management, click Reset and reset your mobile phone from just right here by clicking Factory Data Reset. So that's how you back up Android phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.